All right. I thought I would create a bonus video talking about how to actually solve this using your intuition and not necessarily relying on, like the crosses and whatever. Like, that's the trick to doing this really quickly. So, firstly, like, obviously, you've got this. Whenever you see a single box, that a queen obviously goes in there. So you got that, and then immediately you can get this gray one because obviously you can't be here, so it must be the gray one must be there, right? And then, like, typically, when you've got a queen, everything around it, I can't, yeah, everything around it, like, you is like a no-go zone. So using the intuition method, what you do is you basically just try and put a queen somewhere, closest to this queen, but not in the zone of no go, not in the no go zone. So initially I put the blue one here, but after I did that, and then I also put the green one here. But after I did that, I realized that, well, like, in order to get the yellow at all, the yellow has to be on this line. So that means the blue must be over here, and then I just put the yellow down here. I can't put the yellow here, obviously, because of the red. So the yellow must go down there. And I mean, at the end of the day, you're kind of intuiting it, so it all just comes kind of naturally. But you could work this out using crosses, but I'm trying to get you to build some intuition on how to do this really quickly. So then you should, at this point, have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, these four. I mean, and then it's pretty much a matter of saying, well, it can't be there. So, in this row, it kind of has to be here in the orange. The green one doesn't have to move. And then you can kind of just place the other ones around. I mean, at the end, you could pretty much figure out that the purple one has to be here, just through the placement of the other four. But you could also just kind of randomly do it. Not randomly, but you can kind of use your intuition to do it, and you would still get the same thing. So yeah, anyway, that's pretty much how to do a queen like this using your intuition. Intuition always doesn't always work, especially for the more difficult ones. But for stuff like this, especially where there's one square, intuition will work like pretty much all the time, and you'll get a much faster time than had you just sat there and tried to work it out systematically.